Hello, 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 and welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on how to build a six-figure cleaning business and beyond. So it's very funny. I have quite a few students and with our academy, and one of the students said that she was relying on a lead generation company to get all of her business. Now, this is a big no-no. You never, ever, ever want to rely on a lead generation or a referral program to get all of your business. Because if they go out of business, or if you cannot afford them, or anything happens, there goes your business. You always want to make sure that you have a system in place where you're getting business on your own, at least 80%, and 20% can be towards a lead generation of some form of referral, but never, ever, ever 100%. So make sure that as of today, you implement something that you are getting leads on your own. And one of the ways I always talk about is your website. Having a website or a funnel, some type of funnel that actually draws leads to you. That is one of the best positions you can be in, because when they contact you, they are interested in you. So, like I said, never, ever, ever have 100% of your business coming from some other source. Make sure that 80% you control, which means there is paid, there's controlled, and there's owned type of traffic. Now let's look at all three. Paid traffic to your website or whatever source you are drawing to actually get leads in order to get the email to start marketing and setting up marketing campaigns is paid. That means you're paying Facebook, AdWords, something like that, Google AdWords, but you're paying a certain amount of money to get the leads in. Now, guess what? When you stop paying that money, you know what happens. There goes your leads. So until you get to a certain monthly amount that you're looking for, then you're going to have to constantly pay for the leads. So if you're looking for, let's say, $20,000 a month in business, then you are going to have to continue to pay until you get that amount. Now that's paid. The other is controlled. That means it's a social media platform, whether it is YouTube, or if you're looking to have Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest or some kind of podcast. All of your leads are coming from a social platform. Now that's great to actually, if you're not paying for it, that's great if you're like funneling your traffic towards your website or towards a funnel. That's great, but you want to make sure you have something where you're able to get the email information, because if that platform changes, guess what? Once again, you're not getting any leads to your business. That's what we call control traffic. You still have some control, but if it's Facebook, you do not own it. It's not yours. So you have no control over it. As long as you're allowed to put, Facebook live videos and all that up, or YouTube or Pinterest or whatever. But always remember, I think there was one that was really, really popular. I can't remember what it is at the time. It wasn't Vimeo, but it was some type of platform, and everyone was using it, and it went out of business. And you see, just say, for instance, TikTok. It's one of the ones that it's not really for business, but whatever it's for, whatever, just say you're using TikTok, and now it's like political, and they don't know if they're going to use it. So you would be in trouble. You would not have any leads coming in for your business. So remember, there's three types of traffic. One that's paid, two is what's controlled, which is social media, and three is what you own. That is the best situation to be in. Owned traffic is when you have the email list. The email list is the address to who you are trying to converse to. So let's say, for instance, you have 1,000 names on your email list. If you have 1,000 names on your email list and you just get a small percentage of those customers starting to ask for walkthroughs and then wanting quotes and wanting one-time projects, and they have move out, move ins, or construction. Just imagine if you just got a small percentage, 1,000. Just say if you got 10% of that, and you made, $800 from one and $1,000 from another, and you got an ongoing contract. Can you just imagine how much money and revenue you're going to get in? It's unbelievable. The secret sauce is the email list. And that is one of the ways we show you. And that's how I was able to get that $30,000 a month in my cleaning business, not with the one project, but with a contract within 60 days, 30,000 within 60 days, based on what I just mentioned. I owned that traffic. If you want to know how to drive the traffic, how to close and get the customer acquisition and all of those different pieces that need to be put into a system to build your business to six figures or more, make sure you register for my How I Was Able to Get $30,000 a Month class. This masterclass, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get $30,000 a month, not one time, but a contract within 60 days in my cleaning business. If you're interested in learning that, then sign up for the How I Was Able to Get $30,000 in My Cleaning Business Within 60 Days masterclass. I will show you exactly what I did and some other things that you need to implement immediately. Now, it's going to take about 60 to 80 minutes. I want you undistracted, put all distractions away. It's going to be a lot better on a desktop or a laptop as opposed to your phone. But click to register below for this masterclass on how I was able to get that $30,000 within 60 days to my cleaning business. We have a great time. It's live. It's a lot of fun. I love the interaction, and I'd love to see you there as well. So make sure you click the link below to register. Space is limited because I do like to answer all the questions in the chat before we leave for the evening. And it runs anywhere from 60 to 80 minutes. Not going to take all your time. But if that sounds like something you're ready to do, you're tired of figuring it out on your own, and you want some direction, then like I said, make sure you click to register. And I look forward to seeing you at my $30,000 a month, how I was able to get $30,000 a month from a project with someone that actually sought after us. We didn't do the chasing. They actually sought after us by the system that we use to generate our traffic. Traffic. You can't not be in business if no one knows you're there. So if you want to learn more, make sure you register at the link below for the How I Was Able to Make $30,000 in My Cleaning Business Within 60 Days masterclass. I look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.